Good morning. Happy Monday. Uh, as usual, going through the work for the week. This week I'm doing something a little different. On Monday, I'm going to have you not do a Go formative. I know. It's shocking. Don't worry. You're going to do one on Tuesday. They're not gone. But I just want to let you know. So on Monday, we're going to do a little end of unit survey. This is not a test. Don't freak out. But we're kind of finished up all of the ecology content that I have for you guys. And this week we're going to start moving into our next unit, which is going to be Ancient Earth. And I did want to kind of, wrap it up a little bit. So you'll find the survey on Google Classroom. There's 3 sections, your usual first section where you tell me who you are, second section just to kind of like check in, how did the unit go, what did you learn, what questions do you have, and then there's a pre-assessment for this new unit. I really want to know what you think. I know that you are doing this via a computer and it is very easy to find an answer using Google, but for this, it is not a test. It is not for me to grade you. I'm not judging you. There are no wrong answers. I want to know right now, without Googling it, what do you know right now? And your answers inform how these next couple weeks are going to go. So if you just Google the answer and you give me the right answer, there's no right answer, but like you Google the answer, you're like, I'm going to assume that we already know this and we can move on to harder things. If you tell me what you actually think, I can meet you where you are and we can all learn together. So please just tell me what you think. So that is Monday. That's your assignment on Monday. Tuesday, then we're going to the Go formative. It's going to start new things this week. It's kind of like a primer on fossils. I know that fossils are often a topic that people have a lot of background information on. I know not everybody, but a lot of people, especially when they are younger, kind of go through a dinosaur phase. I don't know if you went through a dinosaur phase. I went through a dinosaur phase. I think I was in about 2nd grade when I went through mine. But so a lot of people have a dinosaur phase. So a lot of this might be kind of things you maybe once upon a time knew, and maybe have forgotten about. Maybe you never went through a dinosaur phase. Maybe this is new information. This is going to go through some basics, looking at how a fossil forms, some different types of fossils, and how different fossils are made, looking into how the fossil record can really inform our knowledge of the past. So that's what you're going to work on for your Go formative. On Wednesday, you have a graph of the week. This is just a graph that I found that I thought was interesting, not tied to our topic this week, but just nice to look at. We haven't had a bar graph in a while, so something to take a look at. And then Thursday, you're going to do some IXL for me. You're going to be doing one on fossils, and it is S1, compare ages of fossils in a rock sequence. So you're going to go through and take a look. They'll give you some examples, and you'll be determining which fossils are older or younger based on what layer they are found in the rock sample. So that is the plan for the week. On Friday, as I've been doing these last couple weeks, you can have a catch-up day if you missed something, if you need some extra time, if you didn't get a chance to finish some of your work from previous weeks or other classes, if you want to work on your nature journal. We're starting to get some really beautiful spring weather, so it'd be nice to get outside. If you want to try one of those fun at-home science activities, I don't know if you've been catching my at-home science experiments, but I'd love to have some of you guys join me virtually in my experimentation. Let me know how yours are going. So that's the plan. The other thing that I want to mention, I know you'll probably hear this from all of us this week, but doesn't hurt to hear it again. We're changing up these Zoom office hours. So instead of coming to one afternoon Zoom a week, you are now required to come to 2 afternoon Zooms a week. You need to come to one science and one social studies. So I expect to see you either on Tuesday or Thursday for a science Zoom at 1 p.m. The link is still the same, but I can't wait to see you. We're going to talk about ancient Earth. So I will see you guys then. As always, if you have questions that come up either before or after your Zoom session, please, please, please let me know. Google Classroom, email me, any of those things, any of those many ways. Chat to me on GoFormative, whatever it is. Hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you at office hours. Bye.